And what's good, YouTube? It's Supreme J here. Now today I got some basketball content for y'all. This is something that I wanted to do for a very long time, and now that I got my GoPro, I can finally give you guys some content. So just enjoy this video. I try to do my best to keep it relatively short, but not too short where the video kind of just flies by. I want you guys to be able to enjoy at least this one game that we played. We played to 11, so this is a pretty good game for me, you know what I mean? So make sure y'all watch the video.
Every time that I speak, this is for the world. This is for the ones that know you don't gotta be hard to hear. Trust me, I know how all of this can feel. For the ones that don't know how to deal with a pen, so you have a little pill. Trust me, I know how I feel to pop a seal. Every time we get high, we just hit the crash and make it bad, get yourself a swear. It's a bad habit, trying to hit some more. Find what I'm liking. Find what I keep on liking.
so that's the video, y'all. As you guys can see, your boy hit the freaking game. Ooh, I had some good shots on game, I ain't even gonna lie. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I really want to make more content of, you know, me playing basketball and doing other things besides, you know, just, you know, driving my car, because, you know, I love to do a lot of things. So if you guys enjoyed though, make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.